Hi guys.
Nope.
What?
Go.
Hi guys. I'm doing a room tour. Here it is. This is where I live. This is where me, Grace, and Kelly live. 213, come kidnap me. I'm gonna be moving out anyway, so. So you walk in. Here's our gross welcome mat. Welcome.
I bought that.
Here we are.
Here's our room.
Here's our room.
I don't know what that is.
So this
Hi,
is
Kelly.
the living room. We don't really hang out that much in here.
This is from my birthday.
But before going out, we do hang out here. This is a unicorn.
It's from Kaylee's birthday.
Vacuums. We have some shoes. Pillows.
Vacuums. Printer used to be there.
This is for my birthday party.
That is for my birthday party, and that's from my birthday.
There's some envelopes with things inside of them.
This cute little.
Here is our stripper pole. It is an accessory. We sometimes use it, but we're not dancers, so we don't really want to use it.
Do a dance.
I'd rather not, but we're gonna keep this. I don't know how we're gonna take it down, so that'll be fun. Here's our kitchen. Here's the light on. This is our fridge. Our pictures are kind of like ruined, but these are like all our fun memories. Spring break.
Oh, look, Rosie's in that one. Hi, Rosie. Kennedy. That one's funny. Aww.
A broken succulent.
I know.
And then this is what the fridge looks like. We have a bunch of frozen food.
We do like a lot of food.
It smells strange. And then our fridge, yay.
We don't really have food.
We don't have food because
That's my section of the cabinet.
Moving out like literally. In
We move out in 7 days.
So we have no food.
We used to have a lot of food.
We used to have a lot, yeah.
Wait, open my cabinet.
Microwave's disgusting.
Open. I know. Look at
Let's
the
not
microwave.
show it.
Open the microwave.
Guys, it's really gross. We're really gross sometimes.
It's all my snacks
Here's all her snacks.
that I get from Zeta. Thank you, Zeta, for keeping me full. Little decoration.
This is just water.
Sink.
Dishes.
Cute.
We have to hand wash everything. Hey, me and Grace. Nobody's going.
Hi, Kelly. Okay. Here.
Okay, here we go. So
Do you want to see their bathroom?
this is where
You can only crop it for.
Let's have a
This
desk
is
here.
Kelly and Kaylee's bathroom. They
Okay, well, Kaylee cleaned her side.
they live like.
cleaned her side.
Kaylee, open the door. Oh my God.
Anyways,
I'm gonna clean it. I'm cleaning my
here's a desk and some notes.
Kelly brought this desk home.
Nose spray and that's my desk.
This is a bra, not mine.
Tess's.
Oh, okay.
Here are my cat socks.
So let's do a perfect. Let's do a nice. Kaylee, that's me. Here
I didn't say that
You
yesterday.
open the door, and this is what you see. Welcome to my room. This is where I sleep, obviously.
What's behind this door? Oh, nothing. Oh, like her little robe.
Wait, let me say everything before you show it.
Okay, okay.
So, beginning of the year, it looked completely different, kind of. I had. This was not.
Oh my God, it hasn't been recording.
You're lying.
I'm kidding.
I'll have to say. Anyways, I put a bunch of like photos that like happened the past like few months. Printed them out. Great decorations. Here's my thing.
Here are the photos. They're really cute. Some light reading. Don't look at my nails.
So I have a bunch of pillows. I don't like. If you're living in a room like this, you really don't need.
You really don't need to like
for
decorative
decoration,
pillows.
Sure, but, like you really. Don't
I had like 6 and now they're all in the living room. So.
And then since I'm short, I have a little stool.
But it's a secret.
Secret, you can hide things in here. Here are my rush shorts. Will I ever wear those again?
No.
No. So we close that up. My computer's charging. Here's my nightstand.
That picture. I
She's
should be.
stunning.
I'm not in any of your
You're not lying,
framed.
Jess.
I'm in all the film, but not
I
the.
had these framed when I moved in. So
This is kind of aesthetic over there.
here's my sleeping mask.
Which you wear all the time.
Yeah. My phone, a little coaster, fake flowers. I have a candle. It's not allowed, but.
What are all these? It's cute.
Hello. This is from pictures from Formal and NOLA for Pike.
Best friends.
And then I have a little photo album with Bible verses
Thank you, Mrs. Baker.
and just memories.
Oh my God, these are so funny.
I know my kids are gonna love that.
That's hilarious. This is cute too. And you just
then-
kind of have random stuff.
Bunch of Polaroid wall, and then my desk.
Am I on any of those? Yep. I don't look okay there.
Yeah.
Yep.
So my desk.
She has a lot of work here.
Usually very messy because I just put a bunch of things. But I have a little tray for all my medicine and just random stuff. And then like back here, there's a lot of random stuff.
Slime from Carly.
Yes. Thank you, Carly. There's just not a lot of space, and me and Grace have a lot of things, and there's
Yeah,
it's just
Kaylee and I
small.
have the smallest rooms, but the most stuff.
And there's nowhere to put it. But so this is my desk. I never sit here, ever.
You always sit there.
I always sit. So here's my closet. Here's my skateboard.
She rides to class.
Yes.
Accessories.
Accessories. This is for laundry. I never use it, but Grace does.
I do.
This.
It's for taking.
Invest.
Yep.
Invest in that. But I use it for water and laundry. Laundry room is far. Here's my closet. Let me. Oh, it's just hectic. It's very busy. Storage. All my clothes. All my shoes. Show my shoe rack.
Where's your
I organized it for this.
Ooh, show them the stripper heels. I like those ones.
Yes, I ruined them when I was in Buckhead at the bars.
She wore these out.
Out. I ruined these in Buckhead when I went out. And yeah, I'm gonna have to buy new ones.
Okay. Kelly. Where's Kelly's room?
Do not go into my room. Do not go into my room.
Oh my god, it's not even that bad. It's been worse.
It looks really ghetto.
I'll probably do it. And then I hang all my pretty dresses here. Just to show that, I guess. Here's my boots.
I already did that.
I thought this was very aesthetic.
You're reading? There's a lot of books.
I know.
Who doesn't really read?
Okay. Now we will show Grace's room.
Hello.
This is for memories
So I have
also.
a little OCD.
Here, you lead.
It's like a little. Okay. Do you know my bathroom?
Yeah. So
Okay.
since I just showed my bathroom, we will show Grace's.
My bathroom. My water. I drink a lot of water. Everything is very organized.
And we both have Audrey Hepburn on our thing.
I know. And then the bathroom. Kaylee showers in here.
I do shower in here.
My towels. My robe.
Toilet.
All my cleaning supplies. I love that. It's my favorite part. This is my room.
Aww. Here it is.
Okay, this is where I sleep. This is what Kaylee got me for my birthday.
Yes.
It's a picture of me and my cat. This is where I study. Currently studying for my communications final, which is a little difficult. Roger. Hello, Roger. Shout out.
That is Grace's boyfriend. Just letting everyone know.
My mom and my sister. Love them.
Shut up.
What else? Oh, show them our cute little pictures. Those are all my little memories.
From Halloween.
Us. That's my favorite picture of us. Me and Lane on bid day. Kaylee and I.
Fun times.
That's
Then we
really
have
it.
this. What's up?
My
Enjoy.
little jewelry cart. Things. A mirror.
Then her closet. The light comes on.
Oh, it's not gonna come on. I turned it out. Okay, well, here's all my hats and my buttons for game day, glasses, a scarf. It gets very cold here. Shoes. I gave my mom half of my shoes, so there's not really that much. Yeah, all my sweaters, stuff, costumes, bikinis. What's under here?
Oh, I didn't show my underneath stuff. So my stuff looks just like this, but not as organized.
I have like workout stuff, shirts.
So all the dorms
Skirts.
come with these.
They
like
come with these.
this and then
and then
the
this.
desk.
That's it.
Yeah.
And then
then the
I have
couch and
two
stuff.
others. So it's safe to say that I have a lot of stuff. These two are literally filled with sweatshirts. And then I have snacks here. This is the most unorganized. It's all the snacks. And I'm not really that interesting. That's kind of it. My
Yeah.
carpet. Oh, I bought this chair. So Kaylee doesn't have that chair. So.
I do not. It does come with a chair, but it's not cute.
Yeah.
So that's that. And that's our room. Yep. This is really sad
It's kind of sad.
because we're moving out.
And,
We're not going to be here. We're not living here anymore. So here's an overview of my
I'll show you the
room.
shower.
So mad.
Should I be reading?
So, hey, it's me again. Outro time. Thank you for watching. I'm so glad that you came and watched my room tour. I know a lot of you have been asking, okay? I finally got to it before I moved out.
Kelly, come say goodbye.
Say bye. This is our last memory together. We're moving out. Bye, Kelly. So this is it. Next room tour, you'll see our new apartment. Me and Grace are living together. Okay.
And some random.
This is so awkward.
So awkward.
Bye.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, 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 goodbye.
As she vacuums. She's cleaning.
Kelly's insecure, so she's
I'm
cleaning.
cleaning you out. You're gonna make me feel so cold.
Okay. Bye, guys.